Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to pronounce the palm vowel in the south of England. Yes, how to pronounce the palm vowel in the south of England. So, I want you to listen to these words, and repeat after me. All right? Listen and repeat after me. Laugh, laugh. Calm, calm. Task, task. Sample, sample. Slander, slant, slant. Staff, staff. Grant, grant. Example, example. Chant, chant. Cast, cast. Castle, castle. Castle. After, after. After. Answer, answer. Answer. Ask, ask. Basket, basket. All right. Now I want you to listen to this story for you to practice the sound. Last night, Rabaz couldn't sleep. His master cast a spell on him, and this made him feel that was the last day in the castle. Thanks for watching. I am Euphony. Alright, before you go, if this is the first time of coming to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.